What's going on, guys? Today we are here with the one and only Garrett Myers, and we're gonna go walk through his duplex that he is just about to close on. As a matter of fact, guys, what time is it right now?
It's 4:07.
It's 4:07, and he was supposed to be there to close at what time?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So we're gonna do a super speedy walkthrough. We wanted to see it one more time before he closed, and so I'm taking my sweet time, but how are you feeling?
I'm feeling stressed.
So let's give you the rundown. First off, take a peek out here. This is the duplex. So it's a beautiful 2 units, 1 up, 1 down, really nice. And they're Raiders fans. How do you freaking go wrong with that?
You can't go wrong with Raiders.
So both of these units are actually empty right now, but Garrett is planning, the upper unit was getting 1,200 before they moved out and he's filling it. So he's gonna get 1,200 up, and then you're planning on 900 down.
Yeah, that's the plan.
After running the numbers on this property, it's actually going to end up with a 13% cash on cash return, which is a money. That's with 25% down. Not going to go through all the numbers, but let's just give you the quick tour because Garrett is very stressed about getting to closing. Guys, is there anything else we could do to stall?
No stalling.
It's okay, Garrett. They'll wait for you. So look at this kitchen. Very nice. Give you the full walkthrough here. Here, I'm actually gonna turn this around.
Connor's testing the bathroom.
How was it?
All right.
All right, here's your kitchen. You've got a beautiful backyard out here. The dogs are still
We're
here.
gonna put a shop back there and then rent the shop out
Ooh,
too.
look at you.
A little
Awesome.
creative investing.
So in this one upstairs, they've got all kinds of cool stuff going on with the tile and whatnot for rental. Not bad. Oh goodness, Connor, you weren't playing. My heavens.
I would not go right.
Whoa. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. The other thing that was really unique about this property is, Garrett, you actually weren't going to get that good of a return on this, were you? So tell us the whole story.
So they wanted 270 for it. I said, how does 230 sound? They said, how does 242 sound? I said, sure. And then the appraisal came back at 228.
Let's go. So then automatically they had to come down. Now, one thing that's really interesting about investing in real estate, a lot of people trip about the appraisal, but if you're getting the cash flow you need to get a 10% cash on cash return, it really doesn't matter. Like, you don't care about the appraisal, but for you, you just went back and you said, hey, I'm not gonna put any more down than what I'm gonna put down, and it would have required you to pay the extra with wherever the appraisal came in at. Why do you think the appraisal came back low? Because honestly, looking at this property, I feel like that's a fair appraisal for what you were gonna pay.
Yeah, so I think supposedly the guy hadn't completely finished the renovation when the appraiser came through. So I think that kind of toasted him. And then the other thing, this basement unit is connected to the same electrical as the upstairs unit. So they didn't actually switch it over, which for me isn't that big of a deal because I know I can do it relatively easy, but I think the appraiser looked at it and was like, well, it's not actually a duplex yet.
Yeah. Well, and with these, you might run into like legal issues if you don't have it done properly, which makes it worth less. But even when you don't, usually you can get away with it. Not saying you should always do that. However, it is something that happens. I've got one of mine that's actually in the same situation. The thing is, though, is when they're looking at properties like this, they run the numbers based on it being a single family home and comparables in the area. And so when you're purchasing based on rents and what it can rent for, comparing to them running their purchase price based on just the other values close by, especially in an area like this that's probably more of a C neighborhood than a B neighborhood, wouldn't you say? Yeah. But this is one of the nicer properties. It's a duplex. It's cash flowing well. So Garrett was willing to pay it for the cash flow, and it ended up working out great because then they had to drop the price to be able to win you over. So
Yeah, big one for me.
For sure. So let's give you the tour of the basement. What was that?
I'm gonna go.
You can't leave.
I gotta
see the basement. How stressed are you, Garrett, on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm someone who's very punctual, and you're making me not punctual.
Garrett, everybody's just used to the happy-go-lucky.
What's going on, guys? It's Chandler David Smith, medium famous YouTube star. Cars, YouTube, real estate, you name it. Smash the like button. Did I say the word go-kart yet? Go-karts, go-karts, go-karts.
By the way, what are you gonna say? I know you're in the mood.
No!
No, come on.
Smash the button.
Which button?
The like button. Follow my Instagram. Forget Chandler.
All right, so this one's actually a 2-bedroom as well. The only reason we're getting less in rents down here is obviously due to the fact that it's a basement. But they've got a great view. Well, not a great view, but they've got good space out in the backyard. And then you can see they actually redid everything in here. So it's actually a pretty dang clean unit.
I actually think I'll try Airbnb-ing both units and see how it goes.
That's awesome. Yeah, this is actually down by the river. It's in a good location. So, Gare, congratulations.
Thank you.
Now all you've got to do is close if they'll stay open for you.
I'm under contract on 3 more units after these 2.
Let's go. So, a lot of people were giving you a hard time about your younger brother having more real estate, but the reality is, how many doors are you at now?
This will be 10 or 11 and 12, and then I've got 13, 14, 15 under contract.
Let's go. The reality is, Garrett does have more real estate. This is our crew. Guys, I can't tell you how important it is to surround yourself with people that are buying real estate and that are doing big things. Every one of you guys so Colby, how many units?
I own 2, 1 duplex.
Connor, how many are you buying this year? I know you don't have any yet.
At least 2.
2. And then Chandler, you've got one you're about to put in an offer in. Your first one.
Thinking about it.
Right
so
there.
Looking at getting 2 units.
Cool, cool. So just remember, getting to closing on time. How important is it, Gare?
To me, it's important. I'm a man of integrity. Man of my word.
Just surround yourself with the right people. We have a ton of fun coming and look at these properties. We also decided we're just going to leave that front door wide open since, Gare, are you wanting to close that before you go close on the property? I can tell you're just a little stressed.
Yeah.
Maybe just give them one more like for the, do it for the
Smash
blind.
the button, like and subscribe, or don't, your choice.
And
Really
where can people follow you at, Gare?
Yogi, everyone calls me Yogi, _Myers.
How'd that
M-Y-E-R-S.
name come about?
I gave myself that nickname.
All right.
It's a good one. I'll tell you the story sometime.
We'll put the link below. You can go follow Garrett. If you enjoyed the video, push the like button, subscribe to the channel. We breeze through it, but these deals get me pumped. It's so fun to see my friends buying awesome real estate deals that are going to cash flow, appreciate, principal pay down, tax benefits, everything and more. Push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the future videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Hey, we'll see you guys later. So, Garrett, really, on a scale of 1 to... What did you do? Did you hit the trailer? No wonder you're stressed. What about a man in integrity? Are you going to call them or something?
I knocked on that lady's door. I don't think it did anything to the trailer.
Hey, go get him, Garrett.